Here, let me see.
Nothing. Messy hair.
You stand
lady.
up here, Kenny.
Don't get burned by the fire.
Okay, I can't see the fire, but that's all right. Set up this teddy bear. It got knocked down.
That's mine.
Is it?
Rosie, come here.
Where's the white one?
Come here.
Oh, that turned out so nice. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, come here. Sit, sit. Good girl.
Now stay.
Good girl. That's a good girl,
Cross your
Rose.
legs, Rosie. Cross your legs, Rosie.
And we'll say 1, 2, 3. Oh, Rosie looked away.
Oh, and you're going to have to take it up and
She's
down.
a dog.
Why are you
Let's
doing
not worry
that?
about the dog.
I am?
Yeah.
Why? Well, it shows too much. It shows your bare feet, and it shows the whole thing.
It does?
Uh-huh.
It's funny that way.
It's like we bought this
Well, then
house,
step
but we can't afford shoes.
Like this one. Oh, and you're recording.